Welcome. Welcome back to Brigitini School of Energy. I'm so honored that you're here with me today. And whether you're new to energy healing or already on the path, this topic is going to deepen your understanding and connection to the work we do as holistic healers. Today, we're talking about something that often gets overlooked or misunderstood: the science behind energy healing and how it actually works. Now, maybe you felt it before: your body tingling during a breathwork session, tears flowing unexpectedly during a Reiki treatment, or that undeniable shift after meditation or polarity therapy. And maybe you've wondered, is this real? Am I just imagining this? Can science actually explain what I'm feeling? The answer is yes, absolutely. So let's break it all down step by step so that you can understand this practice both energetically and scientifically. Everything is energy. Let's begin with a foundational truth. Everything in the universe is energy. This isn't just a spiritual belief, it's scientific fact. Quantum physics tells us that when you zoom into matter, down to atoms, then subatomic particles, what you find isn't solid. You find vibration, waves of energy. Everything is moving, pulsing, oscillating. Your body, your thoughts, your emotions, the chair that you're sitting on, all of it is energy vibrating at different frequencies in the human body. This vibrational field is often called the biofield or the aura. It's an electromagnetic field that surrounds and permeates the physical body. And when this field is vibrant, open, and flowing, you feel energized, joyful, clear. When it's stagnant, blocked, or overloaded, you feel tired, anxious, in pain, or disconnected. Energy healing is the process of identifying disruptions in your energetic system and clearing them so your natural life force can flow again. Think of it like acupuncture without needles, or tuning an instrument that's gone slightly out of key. It's subtle but deeply powerful. And there are many modalities: Reiki, polarity therapy, quantum touch, chakra healing, and more. And each has its own method, but the goal is the same, and that is to restore energetic balance so healing can occur. And often the body knows exactly what to do once the block is removed. Now let's look at the science. This work is not new. Healing with energy has been practiced for thousands of years through Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, indigenous practices, and more. But only recently has modern science caught up. So let me introduce a few terms. Biofield science. This is the study of the energy fields that surround and interact with the body. Institutions like the NIH now fund research into how energy therapies affect the biofield. Psychoneuroimmunology. This is the science of how your thoughts, emotions, and nervous system directly impact your immune system. Epigenetics. This field shows how our environment, including our emotional and energetic state, can turn genes on or off. So yes, your frequency does affect your physical health. And we know that intention, belief, and focus can shift your brain waves, heart rate, immune function, and even gene expression. HeartMath Institute has shown that when you focus on love, compassion, or gratitude, your heart emits a coherent electromagnetic signal that regulates your nervous system. And guess what? That signal isn't just felt by you. It's measurable up to 6 feet away from the body. That means when a healer is holding an intention, their field affects yours. Let's look at how this works in practice. When we use tools like chakra balancing, we're restoring the flow of energy through key energy centers that relate to organs, emotions, psychological states. Polarity therapy, we use touch, intention, and movement to balance the positive and the negative charges of the body. It's like flipping a switch on an electrical circuit. Breathwork and meditation, these practices regulate the vagus nerve, lower cortisol, and activate the body's natural repair mechanisms. All of these have been studied, and the results, they show reduced inflammation, lowered anxiety, improved immune response, and emotional resilience. In other words, energy healing works because it speaks directly to the body's natural intelligence. We are living in times of massive energetic overload, AMFs, stress, toxins, emotional trauma. They all affect our energy systems. And we weren't taught how to clear or protect ourselves from energetic interference. But energy healing gives us that power back. It reconnects us with the subtle language of the body, the way it speaks through sensations, intuition, and emotion. It helps us remember that healing is not something done to us, it's something awakened within us. And here's the beautiful truth. You don't have to be a psychic or a guru. You just need the willingness to learn, practice, and tune in. If you felt drawn to do this work, if you've had that inner nudge that says you're meant to heal, then I invite you to explore deeper. At Brigitini School of Energy, we offer a variety of trainings in polarity therapy, chakra healing, energy psychology, and our full Master Energy Healer certification. These aren't just courses, they're initiations into your power as a healer. And I promise, this journey will not only transform others, it will transform you. If this video resonated, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Have you experienced energy healing? What did it feel like for you? If you're ready to begin this work, check the description below for upcoming courses and free resources. Thank you for being here. Thank you for awakening your light. Remember, when you heal, the world heals with you. Until next time, stay grounded, stay radiant, stay connected. Many blessings, Tina Brigitini.